Hello young learners, today's video is all about connectors. In this video, you'll be able to practice connectors and by the end of it, you'll be able to connect ideas in a story. So for now, I have a very interesting task for you all. Let's see what it is. Read the story carefully. Once you're done reading, you need to perform an activity. A set of statement is given. You need to write yes or no in the answer. The link of this activity is provided in the video.
Student's Book, page 23. 1. Listen, read and write yes or no.
Tell me your story about Sunday.
Well, it was a sunny day, so we went to Otter Lake and we had a picnic.
And?
Then after the picnic, I went swimming because the water was warm.
You had a picnic and went swimming. What happened then?
Well, Billy was scared of the fish in the lake, so he didn't go in.
I see. Billy didn't go in, but you did because you weren't afraid.
That's right, but
Following are the statements you need to determine are correct or incorrect. Number 1. Sophie and her family had a picnic in the forest. Second, Sophie went swimming in the lake. Third, Billy went swimming with Sophie. Fourth, Sophie jumped out of the water because it was cold. Now, when you must be reading, you might have noticed that the following words, which are because, so, and but, are the words which are most used in the reading. Let's figure out more about these words. What are they called and why they are used in the language? These words are known as connectors. Connectors are the linking words which helps in connecting two clauses, independent and dependent. They are also used to join two sentences. Because is used to express a cause, so shows purpose, and is used for addition, but is used to express a contrast. Now here is an example to show an application of the connectors. There are two sentences over here. There was a hurricane, full stop. The second sentence is our flight was cancelled. Now these are two sentences and I want to make them into a single one. What shall I do? I should use any connector. The connector I should use over here is because. Why? Because it's expressing a cause. How? Let's see. Our flight was cancelled. This is something which has happened. But why did it happen? Because there was a hurricane. So I used the connector because over here. So the sentence goes like our flight was cancelled because there was a hurricane. Similarly, we have some more examples. Let's have a look at them. Number 1. I looked into the water, but I didn't see the fish. Second, we went to a lake and we had a picnic there. Third, I went swimming because the water was warm. Fourth, we were hungry, so we went to a restaurant. In the first sentence, but shows contrast, as we have fish in the water, but when I looked into the water, I didn't see a fish over there. So this but here is showing a contrast. Similarly, in the next sentence, and is used as a connector. We went to a lake. In addition, we had a picnic over there. Now, in the fourth sentence, so is used for a purpose. For example, we were hungry, so we went to a restaurant. If we weren't hungry, we wouldn't have gone to the restaurant. This is how we have shown a purpose by using so. Before we move on to further activities, I have a game for you. Let's see what the requirements of this game are. You need to find and write 4 sentences from the maze. The first one has been done for you. The first sentence is, "It was a lovely day, so Jane and Daisy wanted to have a picnic." You can record your answer in the link provided by the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the game. Now I have one more activity and then we are done for the day. In this activity, you need to fill the blanks with and, because, so, and but. Let's see what sentences are. First is, "There are fields near our village. Dash, people love having pictures there." Second, "John went to the USA. Dash, stayed in Chicago." Third, "It started to rain. Dash, we went home." Fourth, "Kate liked visiting her uncle. Dash, it took 2 hours by car." Fifth, "The family was boring. Dash, we left the cinema." Sixth, "Don't go across that old bridge. It's dangerous." I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's see you in another session. Bye.